we're going to make some DIY fidget toys. To create our infinite dice cube, we're using 8 dice and sticking them together in sets of 2s. Once these are together, fold them facing in and join the center ones. Now roll them back out so the first tape is on the outside and stick the 2 ends. Fold it back in, fold these ends up and join the tops. Once that's joined, open it back out and fold it from the other side. And we're going to connect these 2 together in pairs. Turn it over and tape the ends. And there you have an infinite cube. Obviously, for your final one, you're going to want to use clear tape. It can be a bit fiddly, so you might want to rewatch this one. For this craft, you're going to need to stretch a balloon over the top of a bottle. This creates a funnel that you can carefully load your flour in with. It can be a bit messy, but it is good fun. Once you've got the flour in, it's time to take the balloon off. Beware exploding flour. And tie it off. Once the balloon is securely tied, it's time to soak it in some hot soapy water. I soaked it for about 6-7 minutes and dry them thoroughly. And there we have some sticky stress balls. These are so much fun to play with. And you could add more or less colours. You could really personalise this one. For this one, we're going to start by sticking on some felt eyes. I've just stuck them to the top of the cup using some double-sided. Adding in our pupils. And a happy little frog face. Sticking some more felt on to create his little arms. And cutting a slit either side of the cup. Once you've cut them, fold them up and create the wheel. To do this, we're using some plasticine inside 2 bottle lids. Tape it securely and add on an elastic band. You then hook these into place and use some tape to secure them. And it's time to start winding.